Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I was on my way home from work, thought I'd make another video, and wanted to mention about the CRF300L dying. I'll post a link below to the video where mine done the same thing. I've seen a few other people do it, so hopefully somebody finds something out. I actually haven't, other than my assumptions that but I was out riding, and of course the bike gets hot because I'm idling around through the woods. I'm not going fast, you know, and up and down hills, and when a bike gets warm and it's really nice and hot outside in the 80s, well, it just died. It totally just died. And started back up, run, just go a little bit and die. I mean, it wouldn't idle or nothing, it just totally died on me. But then after a little bit, once I got moving through the woods and now it's out on more of a dirt road, got some air going through the radiator, cools down a little bit, run fine, and it has absolutely not done it since. Now, some people say it's overfilling it with gas, and that's possible because I had filled that sucker plumb to the top, and usually I don't do that, but I was like, you know, real close to $3 or something, or $4, so I filled it, tried to get an even amount in there, and so I really filled it full, and that's the day that it done that. Now, I have not done that since, and I don't plan to, but I have been to the woods since in some of my last videos where I'm out in the woods going slow and it was hot, and I absolutely never had a problem. So I think it was something that, like somebody said, when you fill it totally full of gas, the fuel gets in the vent for the fuel tank, for the fuel system, and once the fuel gets in there, it can't get no air. Because see, when that happened to me, I did take the key, take my gas cap off, and I could feel or hear like a suction. It didn't like blow gas out, it felt like it just, the tank had vacuum on it, and when I released the cap, it went and sucked air in. So I'm thinking that that's a very good possibility. Other people think maybe vapor locking, and I thought it could be that too, which is where your gas gets hot enough. Basically, if your fuel line's real close to the motor, it can get really hot and boil, and then you'll vapor lock. But now the CRF250L that I had, it absolutely never done that. It has, I've had that thing, I'm sure I've had it hotter than the 300L out in the woods, riding it hard. So, but I don't know on the 250L, I can't never remember filling the gas tank that full. And, you know, as I said, I haven't done it since. I've been not filling it up near that full. You should actually, supposed to stop at them 2 bars down inside. There's 2 bars down inside your gas tank in the filler hole. That's where your nozzle won't go down no further. If you stop right there, that's where I've been stopping. Not had a problem since, so hopefully that fixes it. But if anybody knows anything about this problem, or have had theirs to a shop and complained, or maybe we can get some info out there to everybody on the comments below of what's going on the CRF300L. I actually read a video today about online, just wasn't a video, but about a 250L that done the same thing. So hopefully we can get something figured out, but like I say, as long as mine don't do it again, I'm actually not going to worry about it. So I just don't want my bike dying on me when I'm out somewhere. I just don't think it's a critical thing. But that's about it, guys. Comment below, let me know if your bike has done this, and if you have found a cure or heard of a way to fix it or whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Right on.